Yo, it KD in the house. Want to level up your tech knowledge? Join me as we explore online money making, must-have apps, intriguing reviews, and all things tech. To kick things off, go to Google and type KD Tech Hub. Click on the first link that comes up, and you'll unlock a world of tech adventures. As you browse, make sure to open up a couple of pages or posts. And be on the lookout for the subscription form. Subscribing guarantees you'll stay in the know about my latest updates.